morning, grade 2. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will start reading of block 6. Okay, so this is your content book. Take out volume number 1, open page number 32. Okay, so today we will start reading of block 6, that is types of plants. Okay, so come to line number 1. We see different different types of plants. Around us, we see different types of plants around us. Means हम अपने चारों तरफ अलग अलग plants देखते हैं. Okay, just like in our house, money plant, tulsi, and some large trees like mango tree, banyan tree. Okay, students. Okay, they have different sizes, shapes and colors. They have different size. Some plants are short heighted, some plants are long heighted. कुछ छोटे होते हैं और कुछ बड़े plants होते हैं. Okay, like mango tree is very big and they have thick stem, that is trunk of plant. Okay beta. Okay, and some short heighted plants in our house like tulsi and tomato plant, money plant. Okay beta, we can sort plants into different. We can sort plant into different groups. We can sort plant into different groups depending on their stem. So students, today we divide plants into different types on the basis of their stem. उनकी stem के basis पे हम क्या करेंगे, plants को different groups में divide करेंगे. Okay, so CLIMBERS, climbers. Beta, in Hindi, climbers means पर्वतारोही. Okay, students, when we climb a rock or a mountain, we have to climb with the help of support. Okay, अगर हमें किसी पर्वत पे चढ़ना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, सपोर्ट से चढ़ेंगे किसी चीज के. सेम वे climbers are those plants, they can climb or grow with the help of support. Means climbers are ones which climb up with the help of support. Okay beta. And CREEP, creep means regna. Students, you see in rainy season, number of insects are creeping on the land. They can creep means वो रेंगते हैं किस पे, जमीन पे. Same way, creepers are the plants, they can creep on land. So climbers are those who can climb with the help of support, like money plant, bougainvillea plant. Bougainvillea plant is used for decoration, and money plant, okay, they can climb with the help of support. And creepers, they are creep on land. ये किस पे creep करते हैं, किस पे रेंगते हैं, land पे. Some plants have weak stems. Some plants have weak stems and cannot stand straight. मतलब कुछ plants ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी जो stem होती है वो weak होती है, वो खुद से straight खड़े नहीं हो सकते on their own. So climbers and creepers are those plants who have weak stem and cannot stand straight on their own. Okay, some of these plants climb with support. Some of these plants climb with support from थिंग्स लाइक वॉल्स, रॉक्स एंड स्टिक्स। ये जो प्लांट्स हैं क्लाइंबर्स, वो कैसे क्लाइंब करेंगे? विद द हेल्प ऑफ वॉल्स, किसी वॉल पे, रॉक्स पे एंड स्टिक पे। ओके बेटा, तो इन आवर हाउसेस वी कैन सी मनी प्लांट एंड मनी प्लांट इज अ क्लाइंबर, सो दे आर कॉल्ड climbers. Others grow and spread on the ground. Creepers can grow and spread on the ground. They are called creepers. Students, pumpkin एंड वाटरमेलन, दीज आर क्रीपर्स। पम्पकिन जो होता है वो लैंड पे ग्रो करता है। दे कैन नॉट स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, वो सीधा खड़ा नहीं हो सकता। एंड सेम वे वाटरमेलन जो है उसका प्लांट भी स्ट्रेट नहीं हो सकता। दे कैन ऑल्सो क्रीप। सो पम्पकिन एंड वाटरमेलन कैन क्रीप ऑन द लैंड। ओके बेटा, why they creep on the ground? Because their fruits are very big in size and heavy. Have you ever seen watermelon and pumpkin? कद्दू देखा है आपने? बहुत बड़ा होता है ना उसका फ्रूट। So they cannot climb or they cannot stand straight. They can only creep on the land. Okay beta, so pumpkin and watermelon are creepers, money plant and bougainvillea are climbers. Okay beta, next students, if you can make creepers to climbers, अगर आप creepers को climbers बनाना चाहो एंड आप सपोर्ट से इन्हें ग्रो कराना चाहो तो क्या होगा? What happen? Their fruits are very big in size and if they can grow with the help of support, their fruits can burst. Okay, इनके जो fruits हैं वो break हो जाएंगे and टूट जाएंगे. Okay बेटा, so today we studied about types of plants on the basis of their stem. Climbers and creepers both have weak stem. इनकी जो stem होती है बहुत weak होती है. Climbers can grow with the help of some support and creepers can grow on creepers can creep, रेंगते हैं on land. Okay, so example of climber, money plant, bougainvillea, and the creepers example pumpkin and watermelon. Okay, so read this page carefully. We will meet in the next class. Bye students, take care.